Do hashtags still matter in 2025, or are they just a relic of the past? If you have been wondering whether to keep adding those little tags to your posts, you are not alone. Every few months, the debate flares up again. Some say hashtags are dead, while others swear they are still the secret to getting your content seen. So, what is the real story? Let's break it down and see what has changed, what still works, and how you can use hashtags the smart way. In 2025, a decade ago, hashtags were the backbone of social media discovery. The more you used, the better your chances of landing on the Explore page or trending lists. People would stack hashtags like #NoFilter, #ThrowbackThursday, and #InstaDaily, hoping to catch the algorithm's attention. But social media has changed a lot since then. Platforms have become smarter, and so have their algorithms. Now, they do not just look at hashtags. They analyze your captions, your visuals, the words you say in your video, and even the text that appears on your screen. Fast forward to 2025, and artificial intelligence is running the show behind the scenes. When you upload a video or a post, the algorithm is scanning everything. It listens to your audio, reads your captions, checks your title and description, and even pays attention to how your audience interacts with your content. Hashtags are no longer the main event. Instead, they are supporting players in a much bigger story about search and discovery. But that does not mean hashtags are useless. Think of them as labels that help the platform understand what your content is about. When you use them the right way, hashtags can help your posts reach the right people, not just more people. The goal in 2025 is not random virality. It is targeted visibility. You want your content to show up for the people who are actually interested in what you have to say. So, how do you use hashtags effectively in 2025? Forget about stuffing your posts with 20 or 30 generic hashtags like #FYP or #viral. Instead, focus on using 3 to 5 hashtags that are specific to your niche. For example, if you are sharing tips about AI tools, use hashtags like #AATools, #AMarketing, or #ContentAutomation. These targeted hashtags send a clear message to the algorithm about your topic, making it easier for the right audience to find you. I have tested this approach myself. I posted 3 different videos. One with 20 random hashtags, one with 5 niche-specific hashtags, and one with no hashtags at all. The video with 5 precise hashtags performed the best. Why? Because everything was aligned. The script, the captions, and the hashtags all told the algorithm exactly what the content was about. Here's a quick tip. Always put your hashtags in your caption, not in the comments. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube Shorts now scan captions first when looking for keywords. If your hashtags are buried in the comments, the algorithm might not even notice them. In 2025, hashtags are part of a bigger strategy called AI SEO, or algorithmic labeling. They are not there to make your content go viral on their own. They are there to help the algorithm understand who your ideal viewer is. Think of it like giving directions. The more precise you are, the more likely your content will reach the right destination. If you have been using the same set of hashtags for months, it is time for a refresh. Do a quick audit, remove the generic ones, keep the niche ones, and add a couple of new hashtags based on current trends or keyword tools. You can use features like YouTube's search bar, TikTok's suggested terms, or Meta's keyword insights to see what people are searching for right now. So, do hashtags still matter in 2025? Absolutely, but only if you use them strategically. They are not the star of your content strategy anymore, but they are still an important translator between you and the algorithm. Stay smart, stay visible, and make sure your hashtags are working for you, not against you. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments how many hashtags you are using these days. Let's see who is ready for the future of social media.